Here's a gorgeous 2014 Ford Econoline handicap wheelchair conversion van, Tuscany, presidential with a Braun UVL undervan lift, 750-pound lift. Beautiful, beautiful van. 45,000 original miles, rust-free Southern van. Gorgeous, clean Carfax. Very, very nice van. It does have all the seats, and the lift is located under the van, so you can use it regular as a conversion van, or you can use it as a handicap van. It does have in-floor L-tracks with Q-straight tie-down ratchet straps for the wheelchair. It's an awesome setup. Brand new, almost brand new tires, excuse me. But a beautiful, beautiful van. I'm going to give you the full tour here. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help. The wheelchair lift, I believe, is a 2016 model. It's a UVL. It's working fantastically. This is an awesome setup. It has all your window shades. It's fully loaded inside. Navigation, backup camera. It's got TV, rear entertainment, headsets, rear power folding bench seat bed, two-tone leather interior, alloy wheels. The paint and body's in excellent shape. It has been fully serviced. It is ready to go today. Give us a call at any time at 954-561-2499 or visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Happy to help at any time. Give you the full tour. It does have a tow package. It is a Tuscany, two-tone leather. You can see the body is like laser straight. Very, very nice. Two-tone leather interior. Front seat has a little bit of wear right here on the bottom part, but not bad at all. I mean, it's very nice condition, as you can see. 47,579 miles. 47,579 miles. That may change from demonstrating. It does have LED light package in the back. You got your TV, DVD. It's got 2 extra seats in the middle. That's the way the van came. They are easily removed, so you can have the wheelchair right here. You can keep the seats in your garage. They do come with the van. It also has a rear power folding bench seat bed. I will show you how all that works. It does have power and heated seats in the front. Navigation system, backup camera in the mirror. Just a beautiful, beautiful van. No warning lights on. Runs and drives like a brand new van. It's almost impossible to find a van like this. I don't think there's another one for sale in the country. We do our best. We specialize in handicap wheelchair conversion vans, high top vans. We accept trades of any type. Just give us a call. We're happy to help you. Any type of trade we'll take: car, truck, boat, motorcycle, RV, anything. You let us know, we'll take it in trade if it has value. We've been in business 45 years. We're in Boca Raton, Florida. It's beautiful. Come and see us anytime. We're happy to accommodate you if we can. We can do shipping anywhere in the world. We can pick you up at the airport. Just let us know if you have any questions. As for Jeff or Ken, suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Back to the van. The van is immaculate inside and out. The lift is like brand new. Runs and works perfectly. I'm going to show you how that works right now. Works on a handheld pendant. It does have an on-off switch as well. Got your in-floor L-track tie-downs here for the wheelchair. These seats pop out very easy. No problem. I have the other one staged out here so you can see a little bit of what the space looks like inside. So no problem there. The wheelchair lift is operating and working the way it's supposed to. I'll run you through it. It is a UVL, so it's hidden underneath the van. You can keep the seats in the van or out of the van, whatever you want to do. Goes up, goes down. This is a 2016 model lift, I believe. Excuse me, actually it's 2017 model lift. It's working and operating exactly the way it's supposed to. The van has been serviced. It has all the window shades. Everything works and runs perfectly. It's a great van. It can fit in a parking garage for the most part. So you could use it as a wheelchair van, handicap van, conversion van, however you want to use it. This van offers a lot of options to anybody. That is a rear folding bench seat bed. It does have the extender, so it's a longer bed than usual. There are wireless headsets for the TV that is working. The carpet is in excellent shape. Seats are very nice, as you can see, leather seating. There's a little bit of wear on this seat here, probably from transferring from the wheelchair. You know, it's normal wear and tear. Again, that seat can come out or stay in. Other than that, the van is in excellent shape. It's got these beautiful LED kit, lighting. Got the Q-strain L-track ratchet strap tie downs. Not much else to go through. This van is 100% ready to go. We specialize in these vans. Give us a call anytime. Happy to help. Let's have a backup camera. Got your headsets here for the entertainment system. This is a bed extender. You can fold that up so you have more cargo room, or fold it down. The rear power folding bed works great. You can go forward and backward with it for also more room. And to get the bed fully down, you just pull out these headrests because it hits the extender, but it does go all the way down, no problem. Up and down, front and back. Really nice setup. Really, really nice setup. This van was babied. There is not a speck of rust anywhere on it. I'll show you the body here. I'm going to point out any flaws that I can find in the body. There is a scratch right here on this door, about 12 inches. It's very fine, but I want to point it out so you can see it. Beautiful van overall. Shows absolutely beautifully. It's never been hit. No stories. Clean Carfax all the way. No rust. Running beautifully. No warning lights. Give us a call. The body's laser straight. 954-561-2499. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. Visit us on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. We're happy to help at any time. Call us with your trade-ins. If you have any questions, we do specialize in these full-size vans, so we might have something else that works for you too. If this one kind of doesn't have the right configuration, we do have similar vans. We do specialize, so don't hesitate to give us a call. We're happy to help anybody in need.